Welcome back to the pavement. I appreciate all my returners, and if it's your first time, thank you and welcome to the pavement. If you can, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button, and if you see something, go ahead and comment, put it down at the bottom, and I truly appreciate you now. This is just a little quick video showing you a new toy that I just purchased, just came in, and just wanted to share that with y'all. Enjoy. A little something came in the mail not too long ago. And I just want to know what's in this box. I just wanna know, just gotta know, I just wanna know what's in this box. Ooh. What's this? Here. It's looking well packaged. First, let's. Are these like boats? Some type of gasket or something in there? Oh man. That's looking nice. Hold on. That thing looks sweet. So, they cleaned up the burrs on the side of the casting and everything. Still a little rough. Feels real nice. It's really solid. Has some nice weight to it. Bottom hole for your wastegate, external wastegate. Looks real nice. So we listen very well. This is my first time towboying anything, and even I know better to use this. No good.